everyone, so today we have got an exciting video. We have got the Ted Baker advent calendar unboxed. I'm so very excited about this. You guys know I love Ted Baker. I'm sure it's like not really a thing now. I think it's like only sold through websites. They don't actually have their own website or anything like that now. So Ted Baker is a little bit harder to get and things like that now. And I just always have had a soft spot for stuff that is Ted Baker. I love their decor of their brand and everything like that. And we have got their advent calendar. This advent calendar is £46 and it is a 24-day advent calendar. It does have a lovely metal tin like last year's. I do love the metal tin design, I must admit. The last 2 years they've done this, like last year and this year. Really like the design. This works out at £1.92 a day, I think it is. And normally they're very samey in the style that they'll have body mist, perfumes, things like that. But I do always like it. And then we've got to remember it's working out at £1 something a day. So we're going to unbox it anyways. I'm very excited to unbox this. You guys know I love Ted Baker, like I said before. And yeah, I'm just excited. I'm very, very sorry. It is very early. I do know that. But for the advent calendars, the deep down advent calendar lovers, I think you'll be happy with these getting up early. But let's get into unboxing this advent calendar. So this is the tin here. It's so pretty. It's absolutely stunning. I've just said how stunning it is. So we'll take the tin off. And then we have our, oh, I think the double layer in it, like, so I'm sure they've done this last time and all, so there's 2 layers, I think. So we've got day number 1 and anyways, and we have got, whoa, oh, I don't know, but it smells lovely. We have got the Ted Baker glowing face mask with glycolic acid for glowing luminous skin boost. We've had the face masks the last couple of years and they are quite nice and the packaging's lovely. And £1.90 for a face mask, I don't think that's too bad. So day number 2, which is up here. Okay, looks like we've got another face mask. I think they could spread them out. We've got a hydrating face mask with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I really want to try niacinamide a little bit more in my skincare. A few viewers have said that. So, and this is to hydrate and brighten the skin. So I definitely will be giving that one a try. So that is day number 2. Day number 3, which is this one here. Oh, we've got a body mist. You guys know I love a good body mist. We have got the Peony and Camellia body spray, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, should we have a smell? It's nice. It's not, definitely not like one of my favorites from Ted Baker, but it's nice. And this is what it looks like. We're on day number 4, which is up here, and we have got the Jasmine and Lime Blossom Detoxifying Clay Body Scrub. I'm just not even going to open the like skincare products and things like that because I'm being very cautious on skincare and what I'm using at the minute for my skin. So once my skin's all back normal, then I will probably open these products up. So that, and I really do like their body scrubs normally. So yeah, but I'm trying to stay away from scented stuff at the minute. So that's day number 4. We went day number 5, which is here, and we have got the, oh, I think this was in last year's for sure, the relaxing bath foam with lavender oil, and I'm sure I really like this. Oh yes, I'm sure I've had this before and it's really nice if I remember rightly, so I'm dead excited about this. I love a bit of lavender. So that was day number 5, sorry. We want day number 6, which is here. We have got the Rose and Orchard Whipped Body Oil Cream, and I love the little like simplisticness of the packaging, and I'm sure I like the rose scents from Ted Baker. So we have got a body cream. Number 7, which is here. I like how simple it is to open up. And we have got the Jasmine and Lime Blossom Body Mist. Now, I'm sure this was one that we got last year, this scent. I'm sure it is. If not, the bottle's the same colour for sure. yeah, I feel like I've smelled that before. Very fresh, herbally fresh. That's how I would describe it. So we got that. Size and all 50ml. So we've got one day number 8, which is up here. And we get this every year. It is the cuticle oil, but this year's scent is the peony and camellia, sorry. I'm not sure if that's the scent we got last year, but that's the scent we got this year. And I do like these as well. Take ages to use up though. We want day number 9, which is here. I feel like this is new. We have got the exfoliating body cleanser. So I think it's like a I think this is like a shower cream. That's the only way I would think it would be. It smells really nice. It's got glycolic acid. This is definitely a new product. We've never had this one before. And I'm quite excited about trying that, to be honest, especially on the tops of my arms. So that is number 9. We went to day number 10, which is up here. We've got something wrapped in tissue. We have got a lip gloss. This definitely looks like a different shade. It looks a little bit darker than the shade that we normally get. And this is it here. I'm not the biggest lip gloss wearer, but I do like a lip gloss once in a blue moon. Day number 10, we went to day number 11, which is here. We've got another thing wrapped in tissue. Oh, and I do love these. So this is the nail file for this year. It is slightly different than last year's design, but I mean not enough to warrant like, oh yeah, different, but it is slightly different. And I love these products. I use these products all the time, so I'm very happy with that. And then we've got day number 12, which is another body mist, which I'm not going to complain about because I absolutely love the body mist. We have got the Rose and Orchard body spray. So let's have a smell of this one. I'll put it in my... Oh, that is beautiful. I really like that. Really like that. I'm so excited about that. Love that. Another 50ml size. That's us halfway through this advent calendar. On day number 13, which is this one here, and we have a nail polish, and this looks so pretty. So pretty. I feel like this is such a good nail polish shade. I love a red nail polish, but I feel like this is Christmassy with not being like too Christmassy, so you could really like get your use out of this. I think that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm dead happy with this, and I love the Ted Baker nail polish brushes. I don't know whether you know that, but they're like rounded on the corner. That is my favorite type of nail polish brush. One of my favorite days so far. I'm so happy with that, and that is definitely a new product. So we have the second part of the advent calendar. So we're on a day number 14, which is this one here. And we have, oh, I'm taking the whole advent calendar with me. We have got the Nourishing Hand and Nail Balm. I never normally use these. These normally are too scented for me. Yeah, so this is in the peony and bergamot scent. So we have got that good size product. That is a 50ml. That was day number 14. We want day number 15, which is up here. And we have got the Jasmine and Lime Blossom Whipped Body Oil. So that one is there. Another 50ml size. We want day number 16, which is here. We have got the moisturising gloves, which actually I've literally been using loads lately. So I'm actually quite happy about these, because I think now I've got a spare pair when I wash the other pair. These have been like a lifesaver for me, for my skin on my hands. I've been putting loads of hand cream on and putting these on when I go to bed, and they've been such help. Like, honestly, my skin on my hands has been horrendous. Yeah, so they are such a good product. And I am quite excited about them, because they are actually something I need and I have been using from the previous year. But like I say, they are from like the same as previous years. So that's 16. We want day number 17. We have got a hair scrunchie. I really like this one. I think this one is really bonny. Definitely not something we got in previous years. This is a new year, and it's definitely like their design, which is nice. So I'm dead chuffed with that. I really like it. We have had scrunchies in previous years, but I can't remember if we got a scrunchie in last year's. I don't think we did. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I like stuff like that. Not too much of it, but I do like stuff like that. So that's 17. And we want 18. Oh, this looks exciting. We have got either a hair bonnet or a shower cap. I'm excited about this. This is something different. It's either a hair bonnet or a shower cap. I think it's a shower cap though. But yes, it is. It's a shower cap. So we have got a shower cap. Oh my god, I love it. I will get so much use out of this. I mean, so excited about that. That is definitely a new product. I love that product. I'm so excited about that product. Yeah, I'm dead sure for that product. So that was 18. We wanted day number 19, which is here. We have got another lotion. This is the moisturising body lotion, and this is in the jasmine and lime blossom scent, and it is another 50ml size. We want day number 20, which is up here. We have got a peony and camellia, whipped body oil cream, and that is that one there. And that is number 20. We're in 21. We have got another moisturising body lotion, and it is in the bergamot, peony and camellia scent. Have I just done that one? I feel like I might have. I don't know. Did I open the wrong door? If not, 19 was a moisturising body lotion as well. I don't know. Day number 22, which is here. We definitely got this in last year's advent calendar, and this is the Ted Baker. I use it more like a little body brush, but it's actually advertised as a nail brush, but this is it here. I like this product. I use the one that I've got, and I'll probably end up using this one as a body brush as well. But it is meant to be a nail brush. That is 22. We want 23. I'm guessing the tweezers due to the size, because we always get a pair of tweezers. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh, these are definitely different. They're like a light blue. I think they're really pretty. I really like them. So that is the tweezers. Right, day number 24, the last day. We get the full size, big size, moisturising, nourishing body wash, and this is in the bergamot, peony and camellia scent, and this is a 200ml size, so it's a big daddy size. And that is our last day. So my thoughts and opinion are on this advent calendar. If you've had previous years, you probably don't need this unless you want to stock up, say, on like body creams and things. I feel like there was so much less makeup. Normally you get like a little eyeshadow palette, a lipstick. I feel like they filled it out with more body stuff this year, which is kind of a shame because I do like the little bits of makeup we normally get. But I do like the shower cap. I really like the shower cap, and I do like the stuff like the shower caps, the hand gloves, and like the nail file, the tweezers with their logo on. I don't know, I just do like that. And see, if you do need to restock up on your shower gels, your shower creams and everything like that, you're kind of getting that with this. I do feel like £46, you're paying mainly for like the tin and the name. But I'm happy with it. I'm happy with what I got. But I do think, like, wait for the boots 3 for 2, or if it gets knocked down. It very rarely gets knocked down though. But yeah, for the boots 3 for 2 maybe. You do get your boots points on this as well. But like I say, I do feel like you're paying for the name, and it is very samey. There's a few different items, but still very samey as previous years. But I'm happy with it either way. I think it's just, you've got to go in knowing whether this is something you want, and they are always very samey every other year, you know. But I'm happy with it. But my kind of thoughts and opinions are it's very samey. But I'm not disappointed. I'm very happy with it either way. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I do these unboxings to show you guys what you get in these advent calendars, whether you want to purchase them or just watch, because I mean, I watch so many advent calendar videos that I would never purchase them advent calendars, but I still watch them because I love it. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, please subscribe down below. Do not forget that I do advent calendar giveaways with a lot of the items from the advent calendars that I unbox. So if you haven't already, it would be worth subscribing. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.